Hey there, fellow online hustlers. Are you tired of the false assumptions and inaction that's holding you back from making thousands of dollars online? Are you sick of hearing that you need to be monetized on YouTube to make real money? Well, I'm here to tell you that's just not true. In this video, I'm going to show you several ways you can make money on YouTube, including one method that makes me a lot more than YouTube ad revenue. That's right, affiliate marketing. But the thing I love about working online is that it gives you options away from a 9-to-5 that we all hate. It gives you the chance to become financially free. If you're looking for a profitable side hustle, some part-time cash, passive money, a replacement income, or to start a 6- to 7-figure online business, then you need to click the link in the description and let me help you. Our training program will teach you everything you need to know in 10 modules, including how to make money on YouTube before you get monetized. And that's not all. We also provide free ongoing coaching and mentoring inside our private Facebook group, where you can get advice from 2 7-figure mentors. Our students are currently earning as much as $2,500 a day. To sweeten the deal, I'm currently offering an 85% discount that won't last long, so get in now for the cheapest amount I have ever offered this to anyone. So don't let false assumptions and inaction hold you back from making money online. Click the link in the description and join our training program now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hustling!